How is it going, guys? Welcome to the third episode of our MiG-21 video build. In this episode we are going to assemble the model, but first I'm going to do some painting inside the fuselage halves. Here I am applying metallic paint using a Q-tip. Going to let that dry for a minute while I apply steel metallizer inside the burner can. I am going to put some Humbrol metallizer on an old brush and rub it on the flat black base. The more you rub that pigment in, the shinier it gets. For a final polish, I'm going to use a Q-tip. I have a question for you. Do you prefer narrated or non-narrated videos? Vote in your upper right corner or leave a comment in the comment section. Using the same brush, I'm going to polish the aluminum metallizer I applied earlier. Next, I'm going to paint the flame holder and the nozzle interior in green. Now it's time to start the assembly of the engine. If you wanna elevate your scale modeling skills, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, you can click the notification button so you can get notified whenever I upload something new. Next on the line is the cockpit. It fits perfectly. After supergluing some weight in the nose, it's time for the fuselage halves to get together. Now I'm going to install the deck with the gun sight. It will need some work on the seam with the instrument panel. The spine and the tail come in one piece and have secure joint with the fuselage. This provides perfect alignment without any issues. Before I assemble the upper and lower wing together, there are some holes that have to be made. The main gear bait gets snugly in its place. it's time to meet the fuselage and the wings. The air brake can be post open and there is separate piece that represents it in closed position. I will remove the pins from the flaps because they aren't in very good alignment with the holes in the wing. Both ailerons will be posed in drop position. I will give the rudder some angle as well. Just as it is supposed to, the nozzle housing fits perfectly in its place. The horizontal stabilizers have acceptable joint with the fuselage, but you have to be careful with the alignment. I hollowed some of the small intakes on the rear of the aircraft. I hollowed the muzzles of the cannon as well. I decided to replace the thick kit winglets with my own made of sheet metal. And because I'm an idiot, I placed them backwards. Using Mr. Surfacer 500, I will handle a few small seams. To remove the excess filler, I will use curved blade. I will apply the interior color with brush and then deal with the weathering later. Just like the Canon winglets, I will make two little aerodynamic fences that are mounted below the cockpit. And that wraps it up for this episode. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, watch some more. Click on the thumbnails. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, Happy modeling!